Well, when Art Van stores abruptly closed last week, they left thousands of employees without health care in the middle of this coronavirus pandemic. Well, now some of those former employees are fighting back by getting a plan in order for a class action lawsuit. Our Heather Catallo has the story.
This is a copy of that complaint that was filed in federal bankruptcy court. And the employees I spoke to today told me what happened to them is inhumane.
Former Art Van employees say they feel as abandoned as this fully stocked warehouse in Warren.
They told us to stop in the middle of the morning and told everybody to get out of the warehouse, and that was it. They had delivery trucks come back with furniture on them and just left the furniture on the delivery trucks.
Former Art Van delivery manager Matthew DeFranzo says after 20 years of service, last week he and his coworkers were abruptly told they were terminated.
In an epidemic that's going on right now, we have no health care insurance. And of everything that's taken place, they at least could have honored our insurance to May 5th like they promised.
It's unfathomable to me that there's so little compassion, empathy.
Todd Stewart is now a lead plaintiff on this complaint filed in federal bankruptcy court. Stewart and other ex-employees want this certified as a class action lawsuit on behalf of at least 700 people who worked in the furniture company's largest locations. According to the complaint, Art Van's parent company, T.H. Lee, failed to give those employees 60 days notice before shutting down, as required by something called the WARN Act. Now those employees are suing to get any kind of health care coverage they can.
I have lists upon lists of people with spouses who have cancer. I have a woman who thinks she has COVID-19 and she's 37 weeks pregnant and can't figure out how to get coverage.
Stewart and DeFranzo say dozens of Art Van employees could have been exposed to the coronavirus during those frantic final days of customers rushing the stores demanding furniture they'd already paid for.
How can you treat people this way? How is it that you can put your own personal greed ahead of the lives of 4,000 people?
I don't blame David Van, Gary Van, Scott Van. They had no part of this. And I want that to be known to everybody out there that has hatred toward Art Van. This was done by T.H. Lee. What they did to our company was wrong.
I did reach out to an Art Van spokeswoman, but she told me they can't comment on legal matters. I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
And you know Heather's going to stay on that story until the very end to find out what happens.